rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, I would like to tell a story. Allah is the witness. Okay, let's start. A vendor decided to move goods to a distant town where he could to sell them and earn a good profit. But there is a mess. He has only a little money with him. What will he do? He wants to borrow 1,000 dinars. But who will give it? Whom will he ask? He remembered a gentleman and he go out to him and asked for a loan. I can give you the money, but I need a witness. The gentleman suggested. Allah is the best witness. The gentleman said. The gentleman himself satisfied with his reply. Making Allah the witness, he lent him the money and the due date was fixed. The merchant went the money and purchased goods and returned back to his town. The trade went successfully and he earned lot of money. The process continued twice. It's time to pay back the money. He wanted to meet the gentleman, so he departed his native place and preferred ship to travel on. He came to the shore, but the ship was gone. What will he do? The money will repaired immediately. The money should repair immediately. The due date is nearing. What will he do? He thought, isn't Allah the witness? He will show a way. He looked around hopefully. He looked, it's a piece of wood in a hole in it. He wrapped the 1,000 dinars and put in the hole. As he placed the hole, see, it flew away. At the gentleman came to the shore. He waiting for the ship to arrive. There is no ship was coming. He waited long time. There is no ship was coming. He got back despairing home. He looked. He see a wood. He took the wood to home to burn it and cook the food. He looked. He got the home. He looked the hole. Once the hole was opened, he got the 1,000 dinars and the letter. He praised Almighty Allah. After some time, merchant arrived and apologized for not being able to come this long time. He stretched out 1,000 dinars towards him. Faithful brother, Allah send me your letter and the money. Let us learn this story. May we live faithfully, then Allah will help us. Assalamu alaikum.